In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find courses in Skool Classroom. First, let's make sure you're in the right place. After you've logged in and opened the specific school community you're a member of, look along the top of the page for the main navigation. You'll typically see tabs like Community, Calendar, and Classroom. The Classroom tab is where all the structured learning lives. Go ahead and click Classroom. If you're on a smaller screen, this may appear in a menu rather than across the top. And if you don't see Classroom at all, it may be hidden by the community owner or restricted based on your membership level. So don't worry, that's normal in some communities. Once you're inside the Classroom, you'll see a list of courses or trainings that the community creator has published. Think of this space as the library of lessons for that community. Each course card usually shows the title, a short description, and sometimes your progress. Courses can be set up in different ways. Some are open and free to access right away, some are restricted to certain members, others unlock when you reach a specific level in the community, and a few may be paid offerings. If a course is locked, you'll typically see an icon or a prompt explaining what's required to access it. A quick tip here. Read the course descriptions to understand what the training covers, how long it might take, and whether it's a good fit for what you want to learn right now. When you're ready, click any course title to open it. Inside the course, you'll find an organized list of modules and lessons, usually presented in order. Lessons might include videos you can play directly in the platform, PDFs to view or download, and links to other helpful resources. Start with the first lesson to follow the intended flow, or jump to a specific topic if the course allows it. Many courses track your progress, so you can see where you left off and return later without losing your place. If a lesson includes attachments, grab those as you go so you have the materials handy. And if something doesn't load, a quick page refresh or trying another browser often resolves it. That's all there is to it. Open the Classroom tab, browse the available courses, and click the one you want to start learning. With these steps, you'll navigate Skool Classroom confidently and make the most of your community's training content.